Hey guys, just going to go over the stock trades we possibly took today. We're going to go to the pre-market. CMMB really didn't happen at the open. Did happen for the shorts though, and probably because it was really overextended from the pre that it failed to try to even go higher in this area. So definitely this was so far away from that pre-market high that's probably more than likely the reason it did fail, because it should have been holding in tight if it was going to run at the open. SPRC right here failed at the open as well. No big deal. It did break down. That would have been the level I was looking at, the 802 area, but otherwise it did break down as well. There were some other trades later in the day over VWAP. KNTE did run a little bit finally after it kind of just built up and ran right here. And then HRTX ran a little. And then we had in the open market. So let's go to 1 day real quick. And we're going to go over here and we're going to see Myra. It ran a little bit, but that's low volume. I usually don't trade those kind. CISO ran really, really well. So this is a pretty easy trade right here. I got in a little early here. I did miss the first run up and was very disciplined not to trade it right here. So that was a big test of discipline right there. KNT, like I said, just ran a little bit, tried to do it again, but it didn't really make it today. EBIX was a big winner today. Clearly a breakout that it just kept going these levels. You could have had that easy trade. Almost anything after a pullback, you would have been a winner, unless once you started chasing after it already really planed up a little bit. I think that would have been your key to not get in the trade too much. Easy should have been at least a 660. The 720 was just a little extra. And Zcan and then Skin. I think that was the one that Luke picked out real early this morning, probably like in this area. And then after the pullback in the test, just grinded on the way up from $1.63 to $1.99. You probably could have kept adding on to that the whole time. And then let's go to after hours. I think we only had one or two. I think it was BBLG. I missed that trade. I was teaching, but easy breakout trade right here. And then you could add probably an earlier maneuver at the 68-cent level, but definitely clear flat tops here. Nice breakout the target one. You can't ask for a better performance right there, BBLG. And anytime you have any questions, just shoot them out to the Happy Profits. We don't mind you just in the comments, or you can do at FOMO NOMO in Telegram and ask us a couple questions, and we'll review them during some of these lessons and stuff like that. So here you go. Have a great day. That was our daily recap.